In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable raise on crown up on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're using an Apple Watch and your Apple Watch screen is dim, the moment you scroll up your Apple Watch digital crown just like this is going to wake the Apple Watch. But if you roll it down, you scroll down, this is not going to wake the Apple Watch. But if you scroll up like this is going to wake the Apple Watch. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on raise to wake on digital crown hub. So if I know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is press the digital crown once to go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings, then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Scroll down, locate wake on crown up, and then if this is disabled, enable this. So if you disable this and your Apple Watch screen goes off, you'll not be able to wake your Apple Watch by just scrolling up the crown like this. But if this is enabled, you'll be able to wake your Apple Watch by just scrolling up like this. So that's how you can easily turn on or enable wake on crown hub. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.